Welcome. Today we're diving into ryne AI, an innovative platform that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline business operations. Ryne AI uses cutting-edge technology to automate tasks, analyze data, and optimize processes, making it a valuable tool in the modern business landscape. It's designed to help businesses improve efficiency, make data-driven decisions, and ultimately boost their bottom line. ryne AI boasts a range of impressive features. It offers process automation, which can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic activities. There's also predictive analytics, which uses AI to forecast future trends and behaviors. Plus, ryne AI can integrate with your existing systems, allowing for a seamless transition and ensuring that you can start benefiting from its capabilities right away. ryne AI offers a flexible pricing model to cater to businesses of all sizes. It provides a free trial for you to test its capabilities. After that, pricing is based on the features you need and the size of your business. This makes ryne AI an accessible solution for both small startups and large corporations. For detailed pricing information, it's best to contact ryne AI directly. ryne AI can be a game changer in many scenarios. For businesses overwhelmed with repetitive tasks, ryne's automation can bring relief. Companies looking to make data-driven decisions can benefit from its predictive analytics. Businesses undergoing digital transformation will find its system integration capabilities invaluable. Overall, any organization aiming to improve efficiency and profitability can greatly benefit from ryne AI. ryne AI brings many advantages to the table. Its automation capabilities can significantly reduce manual labor, improving efficiency and accuracy. The predictive analytics can provide valuable insights, enabling proactive decision-making. Furthermore, its seamless integration with existing systems ensures a smooth transition, minimizing disruption to your operations. While ryne AI is a powerful tool, it's not without limitations. The pricing can be a barrier for some small businesses. Also, while AI automation is powerful, it may not be suitable for tasks requiring creative or critical thinking. Lastly, like any AI solution, it requires a certain degree of technical know-how to fully leverage its capabilities. In conclusion, ryne AI is a versatile tool that offers significant benefits such as improved efficiency and data-driven decision-making. While it does have some limitations, its advantages outweigh the drawbacks for most businesses. It's a valuable asset for any organization looking to modernize their operations and make the most of the AI revolution. So, the key takeaways about ryne AI are its powerful automation and predictive analytics capabilities, its flexible pricing model, and its ability to integrate with existing systems. It's an ideal solution for businesses looking to improve efficiency and make data-driven decisions, despite some limitations. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of ryne AI. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We regularly share insights into the latest tools and technologies, so stay tuned for more. Until next time, goodbye.